Welcome back to everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content about all things motorcycles. Whether you're into sport bikes, cruisers, or everything in between, we've got something for you. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, the highly anticipated 2026 Suzuki GSX-R750. This bike has been generating a lot of buzz among enthusiasts and riders alike. From its sleek design to its performance capabilities, the GSX-R750 is all set to make waves in the world of sport bikes. So, grab your gear and let's talk about everything we know about this machine and what we can expect from it. Alright, let's start by looking at the history of the Suzuki GSX-R750. The GSX-R750 has been an iconic model in Suzuki's lineup for years. It has an outstanding legacy that started back in 1985, when Suzuki introduced the first ever GSX-R750. It quickly gained a reputation for being the ultimate blend of power, agility, and lightweight design. Over the years, Suzuki has continually updated the GSX-R750 with new technologies and improvements, making it one of the most sought-after sport bikes in the world. But with the 2026 model coming out, Suzuki is taking it to the next level, and there's a lot to unpack. So, let's dive into the specifics of the 2026 Suzuki GSX-R750 and see what makes it stand out. First off, let's talk about the engine. The heart of any sport bike is its engine, and the GSX-R750 is no exception. While Suzuki has not officially released all the technical specifications for the 2026 model, we can expect that they'll stay true to the performance-focused nature of the bike. The 2026 GSX-R750 will likely feature the same 750cc inline-4 engine, which is renowned for its balance between power and control. Expect the engine to deliver smooth, high-revving performance with a strong mid-range power band. This engine has always been a sweet spot for riders who want the performance of a 1000cc bike, but with the agility and handling of a 600cc. In the 2026 model, Suzuki will likely fine-tune the engine to make it even more responsive, with improved throttle response and power delivery for both street and track use. The previous models were known for their excellent power-to-weight ratio, and the 2026 GSX-R750 will most likely maintain that same level of performance, but with a bit more refinement. Whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads or hitting the track for some high-speed action, the engine should provide plenty of power for any occasion. Next, let's talk about the chassis and design. Suzuki is known for offering a lightweight frame that contributes to the GSX-R750's agility, and the 2026 model will probably continue that trend. The bike will likely feature an aluminum twin-spar frame, a proven design that offers a good balance between rigidity and flexibility. This will help keep the bike stable at high speeds while allowing it to be nimble and responsive in corners. The 2026 GSX-R750 will also probably sport an updated design with a more aggressive and aerodynamic body. Suzuki has been known to focus on reducing drag and improving the aerodynamics of their sport bikes, and we can expect this bike to have sharper lines and a sleeker overall look. The front fairing may feature more aggressive angles, and the tail section could be streamlined to reduce wind resistance and improve stability at higher speeds. One of the major talking points for the 2026 GSX-R750 is the electronics package. Over the years, Suzuki has integrated more advanced electronics into their sport bikes, and the 2026 model is expected to have a comprehensive suite of features. The GSX-R750 will most likely come with a fully adjustable electronic suspension system, allowing riders to fine-tune the suspension settings based on their riding style and conditions. Additionally, the 2026 GSX-R750 is expected to feature advanced traction control and an updated ride-by-wire throttle system. This will provide better control over throttle response and smoother power delivery, especially in challenging riding conditions like wet or slippery roads. Suzuki might also introduce a quickshifter for smoother, faster gear shifts without the need to manually operate the clutch, further enhancing the bike's performance on both the street and track. Another feature that will likely be part of the electronics package is riding modes. The 2026 GSX-R750 will most likely feature different riding modes that allow you to adjust the power delivery, traction control, and throttle response to suit different riding conditions. For example, you might have a mode for wet conditions, a mode for aggressive riding on the track, and a standard mode for daily use. This is a feature we've seen in many modern sport bikes, and it provides versatility and control for riders of all skill levels. When it comes to braking and suspension, Suzuki has always focused on offering top-notch components. The 2026 GSX-R750 will likely come equipped with Brembo brakes, which are known for their performance and reliability. These brakes will ensure that you can bring the bike to a halt quickly, even at high speeds. We can also expect high-performance tires, likely from a top brand like Michelin or Pirelli, to help maintain excellent grip on both the track and the road. The suspension will probably be an updated version of the fully adjustable Showa or KYB suspension systems that we've seen in previous GSX-R models. Expect to see fully adjustable front and rear suspension to allow for precise tuning based on your weight and riding style. This will ensure that the bike can handle everything from tight corners to long straightaways without losing composure. Now, let's talk about the fuel tank and a seating position. The fuel tank on the 2026 GSX-R750 will most likely remain in the range of 16 to 17 liters, offering a good balance between range and weight. The design of the tank will likely be sculpted to improve ergonomics, allowing for a more aggressive riding position while still offering comfort on longer rides. Speaking of ergonomics, the seating position on the GSX-R750 has always been a blend of sport and comfort. You'll likely find that the 2026 model strikes a good balance, providing a comfortable yet aggressive riding stance for both spirited riding and everyday commuting. The seat itself will probably be designed with comfort in mind for longer rides, while still offering the necessary support for more aggressive, track-focused riding. One thing that has always set the GSX-R750 apart from other sport bikes is its versatility. It's a bike that's just as at home on the track as it is on the street, and the 2026 model will probably continue that tradition. Whether you're a weekend track warrior or a daily commuter, the GSX-R750 will likely offer a solid all-around performance. The combination of its powerful engine, lightweight frame, and advanced electronics will make it a well-rounded option for any rider looking for a high-performance sport bike. As for pricing and availability, Suzuki hasn't released any official pricing for the 2026 GSX-R750 yet, but we can expect it to fall in line with the current pricing of sport bikes in this class. Expect it to be competitively priced, offering a lot of performance and features for the money. The 2026 model will likely hit the streets sometime in late 2025, so keep an eye out for dealer announcements and pre-order options. In terms of competition, the GSX-R750 will be going up against some tough contenders in the sport bike world, like the Yamaha R7, Kawasaki ZX-6R, and Honda CBR600RR. But with its storied legacy, Suzuki's commitment to performance, and the improvements we're expecting in the 2026 model, the GSX-R750 is sure to stand out as one of the best options for anyone looking to experience the thrill of a high-performance sport bike. So what can we expect when we finally see the 2026 Suzuki GSX-R750? Well, based on what we've discussed today, it's clear that Suzuki is staying true to the legacy of this iconic bike, while also making some exciting updates to keep it competitive in the modern sport bike market. With a combination of power, handling, and advanced electronics, the 2026 GSX-R750 will be a bike that riders of all levels can appreciate. And that wraps up our look at the 2026 Suzuki GSX-R750. I hope you're as excited about this bike as we are. It's shaping up to be an amazing addition to Suzuki's lineup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and let us know your thoughts on the GSX-R750 in the comments below. Will you be picking one up when it's released? We'd love to hear what you think. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date on all the latest motorcycle news, reviews, and updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep the rubber side down.